Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure security updates with Red Hat easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Red Hat system as a user with administrative privileges. Open a terminal window to access the command line interface. First, check your current version of Red Hat with the command cat/etc/Red Hat release. Next, ensure that your system is up to date by running sudo yum update. Now, let's configure automatic security updates. Open the configuration file for the automatic yum security plugin by entering. In the configuration file, locate the section titled Commands. Set update_cmd to security to enable only security updates. Next, find the section titled Emitters and set it to your preferred notification method. For email notifications, modify the email underscore to field with your email address. Now locate the section titled Options. Ensure that Minimal is set to Yes to apply only the necessary security fixes. Save your changes and exit the editor. Start the yumcron service by entering sudo system start yumcron. To ensure the service runs on boot, use sudo system enable yumcron. Verify that the service is active by checking its status with sudo system status yumcron. You can also review logs for any security updates that have been applied. Now that you have configured your Red Hat system for automatic security updates, your system will stay protected against vulnerabilities. Periodically check your system status and logs for any issues. You have successfully configured security updates on your Red Hat system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.